So last Thursday I was moving. Yeah, so I was sitting in the car, two friends of mine helped me out, and was just casually scrolling through my email. And I saw this email by ArtGrid. They sent me an email saying, your royalty earnings. And I was like, cool, I made $25, $30, in this year. So I opened the email not expecting anything, and I literally had an heart attack. Because I opened that email and I saw this. Not sure if you can see it, but it says $955.06. That's how much I earned in 2020. Trust me, guys. I did not expect this because in January I started selling stock footage through Blackbox, and I made a couple videos on that topic as well. And it went very slow. And then at some point I thought, all right, let's expand and try something different. So I applied to Film Supply and I applied to ArtGrid. ArtGrid reacted instantly. They were super helpful. So I decided, let's stick to ArtGrid. I uploaded my footage, went a little difficult because my internet speed was shit. And, eventually I got it online, and then I didn't see anything. I couldn't really check how much was downloaded, how much, was used or anything. So I just, left it. I uploaded like 33 clips and, I just left it. Didn't really think about it anymore. Didn't upload any videos after the first time I uploaded all my clips. I just left it out completely. Then suddenly you get an email stating that you made almost $1,000. That's insane. Now, if you guys followed me and if you guys, checked my previous videos on selling stock footage, you know that it, takes a long time for your clips to populate online. And right now I'm talking about Blackbox. Blackbox essentially is a server that allows you to upload clips, curate it, or let someone else curate it for you, and then it will distribute all your clips to Shutterstock, Pond5, Video Hive, I guess, and a couple more of these big giant stock footage websites. The only downside to this is that your clip will be uploaded into a server with millions of clips. So it's very hard for users to find your specific clip. Then you got ArtGrid. ArtGrid lets you upload clips into a batch. For example, you make a video about snowboarding and it contains... No. That was my backlight. Let's continue. Then for example, you have a video about snowboarding. Yeah, you've got so many cool clips in that sequence, you can upload it all together into one sort of a story, as they call it. This way, it's way easier for people to find you because you get a profile with all kinds of stories. So if somebody downloads a clip from you, they can actually click on your profile and check your other clips. This way, people get more into downloading your stuff instead of keep scrolling into this massive pile of clips. So ArtGrid is a very good platform to be selling your stock footage on. The only thing is that you need to apply. Yeah, so they need to accept you. So you need to be an established filmmaker in some way. Now, that doesn't mean that you are not able to try it. Just sign up and you'll be accepted or denied. If you're denied, keep on making great content and eventually you'll get in. Now, what is my plan for the future? Definitely upload more stock footage. I've got so much work on my computer, on my hard drives, that I just didn't really bother uploading to Blackbox because it didn't really work. I didn't really make sales or anything. But on ArtGrid, it's just different. So I'm super stoked, as you can hear from my tone of voice. I'm beyond grateful that I am able to make $1,000 of an online business that I created myself. It is just incredible and I'm very grateful, and I cannot stress this enough, but you got to try this yourself. It is the coolest to be able to make money online. So this is it for this short video. I just wanted to, talk you through this, earnings that I made, because I made a couple videos on stock footage before and it just didn't really work out. But this is a big achievement in my stock footage career, I would say. So yeah, I'm highly motivating you guys to do the same thing. Go out there and shoot some awesome stock footage and upload it to whatever stock footage website, because it's definitely worth it. Even if you make $10 or $20, it is worth it. That's it for this video. See you on the next one.